Okay, here we are on our responsive page again, and it's not quite, well, we set it up to be responsive to a certain point. You know, this is like tablet size maybe, but if we get real small, you can see I want to do a little bit more information, so this area up here adjusts as well. I mean, it all fits in there, but once it gets past a certain point, it starts looking too big, so let's add a little bit more styles for that. So here we are on our page, and what I'm going to do, again, here's the closing. This all belongs to the app media screen and max width at 726, which is great. But we want to do one more. So let's do add media and then put screen. And this time we'll have a max width. I can spell. Of 600 pixels. And I'm going to go ahead and scooch this up a little bit. So when we open the curly brace, we'll put all our styles on here, and I'm just going to do one for the header. I'm going to make the height a little smaller. I'm just going to make it 180 pixels. And again, this has to do with the size of the logo thing that I put in there. So if you use this kind of component, make sure it works with whatever you have up there. Or if you don't put something like that in, you don't have to worry about this. You could change, sometimes I change the navigation size, sometimes I change the font size kind of information. So I also want to change the H1 up there, and put header 1. Okay, we got our curly braces, so I'm going to put on this, I'm going to put margin 0, and background size, we're going to put cover, and then width, I'm going to put 178 pixels, and height of 143. And again, these have to do with the things that I made. And remember, we did the top, you know, I think it was 5 pixels down, and left it was like 6 or something like that. So I'm going to put top, just have it 2 pixels down, and then left, I'm going to have it be 0. And I'm going to save that and take a peek and see what it does. So save, oops, excuse me, I'm saving the wrong thing. Save this. You're like, what was that? That was my notes. And let's hit refresh here. And so if we make this smaller, you can see this got a little smaller, and so it looks a little better presentation for the area that we have available. I mean, you might want to make this area a little smaller because it seems pretty tight. So I think I had it set at 98. You might want to make it at 95 or 96 so it has a little more breathing room on here. But play around with it, adjust. But it's just kind of, like I said, the ease in and out is kind of fun. You can see how it just kind of bounces, and it looks kind of cool. And anyway, have fun with this exercise. There's just, you know, the responsive things, put it at the bottom of your page, and just adjust the parts that you need changes to. If you have things that don't need to be changed, that are, you know, will work, whichever size it is, just leave it. So there it is. It's not, you know, just 2 little videos for the responsive part. Have fun.